Starting off our coverage this morning with a CBI probe on Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The Central Bureau of Investigation is going to be continuing the probe in Sushant's death case for the third consecutive day. Sushant's three associates, his friend Siddharth Pitani, cook Neeraj and domestic help Dipesh, were questioned for over 6 hours at Sushant's apartment. These three were present in the flat when Rajput was found hanging in his room. Yesterday, the CBI recreated the entire crime scene and sequence of events that happened inside Sushant's room at his Bandra residence. Recreation of the crime scene was also videotaped for further scrutiny. The CBI team also went to a building terrace. A team of forensic experts were present at Sushant's residence on Saturday.
On day 2 of the CBI probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death mystery, 4 associates of the late actor were under the probe agency's scanner. On Saturday, CBI grilled Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pitani. CBI's questions to Siddharth focused on what happened on June 13th and June 14th, who all were present in the flat on June 13th, who called the locksmith, who called the police, who brought down the body and who gave the instructions to do so. How did Siddharth meet Sushant? Why did Rhea Chakrabarti leave? Who all visited Sushant's flat? Sushant's cook Neeraj Singh, the last person who saw the actor alive, faced CBI's heat again. On Saturday, after 6 hours of questioning, the probe agency took Neeraj, flatmate Siddharth Pitani and household Dipesh Sawant for overnight grilling. Neeraj faced third consecutive round of grilling since Friday, while Siddharth Pitani was questioned for the second time. The CBI also questioned Sushant's former house manager, Samuel Miranda, on Friday. The late actor's other associates, including house help Dipesh and another one of his cooks, Keshav, will be questioned next. Both of them were present when Sushant's body was brought down. The CBI also took contact details of locksmith Mohammad Rafi Sheikh, who broke Sushant's room's lock, to question him later. The agency has also accessed Sushant's bank account details, and bank officials are likely to be grilled over the actor's finances. The late actor's girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti too will face CBI heat based on the charges against her in the FIR filed by Bihar police. Sources reveal that the CBI will also question 2 Mumbai DCPs, one of whom was involved in the case probe since the beginning and the other one was in contact with Rhea. As CBI probe gathers pace and friends and associates are grilled all over again, can the CBI do what the Mumbai police couldn't? Bring closure to the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Bureau Report, India Today.
Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live from the DRDO guest house in Mumbai, where the CBI team is staying and putting up. Pankaj, what are you picking up in terms of the plan of action? What's on the agenda of the CBI today? The recreation of the crime scene is done with. What next now? They're moving at a rather fast pace, I must say.
Good morning, Chaiti.
Good morning.
So, first of all, the biggest question today is whether Rhea Chakrabarti is going to be questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation or not. Now, before that, yesterday we all know that the recreation of the crime scene was done by CBI along with the forensic team. Now, what I'm picking from my sources is that if the CBI is not convinced with the recreation that they have done yesterday, then that exercise might be repeated today as well. Now, yesterday, we know that Siddharth Pitani, Neeraj and Dipesh were taken to that very room and they were grilled there and asked about the sequence of events. Now, what has happened after that is, late in the night time, the CBI officials have tallied their versions along with the versions that they had given previously to the Mumbai police. Now, this is very crucial, Chati. If the 2 statements match, then of course it supports the theory. Otherwise, if the statements are contradictory, then that gives a completely new dimension to the probe of the Central Bureau of Investigation. So matching those two statements is of prime importance here. One, And secondly, if the CBI officials are not convinced with the reconstruction of the crime scene that they have done yesterday, there are chances that the same might be repeated today as well. Yesterday, of course, they've taken all the photographs. They videographed the entire area as well. We saw how the CBI officials were there in the entire room. Questions were asked to the prime witnesses there. Neeraj has been grilled for 2 continuous days, and it was only late in the night time that Neeraj, Dipesh and Siddharth Pithani were allowed to leave from this very facility at around 10:30. But, Chaiti, if it so happens that CBI feels that yes, the statements of the trio are fine enough, then of course the next big thing would be for the CBI to straight away head for Rhea Chakraborty and question her.
Oh, absolutely. This is going to get very, very interesting today, and we're going to be tracking these developments very closely. Rather very crucial developments. As you mentioned, Pankaj, continue to stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.